Food dump, leftovers done over. Tri-tip. Do you have dinner leftovers that you need to use up? Make a simple breakfast. Fry up some eggs. Even with the current price of eggs, it's still the most economical way to eat healthy. I highly recommend buying local farm-raised eggs or pasture-raised from your local grocery store. I like to reheat my potatoes and beef in my little mini oven on slow. And then after I fry my eggs in butter, I'm gonna re-sear my meat in that butter. Yum, yum. I also made a simple dipping sauce using Chinese mustard, ketchup, and sriracha. Now time for quality control. Yup, it passes. It was tasty. It's a simple way to repurpose dinner leftovers for any meal of the day.